Hello everyone, my name is Rosita. I am one of the Spanish instructors here at Take Lessons. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can tell if a noun is masculine or feminine. So, let's get started. In Spanish, every noun has a gender, and this applies to plural nouns too. In English, we don't have masculine and feminine nouns. So the easiest way to tell the gender of a noun is by looking at the ending of the word. Now, the general rule is that if a noun ends with an A, it's going to be feminine. Por ejemplo, for an example, la manzana, meaning the apple. Please repeat after me. La manzana. Perfect. Let's go with another example just in case. We have la casa. Please repeat after me. La casa. Now, nouns that end with an O are generally going to be masculine, like el perro. Please repeat after me. El perro. Great. This means the dog. Let's do another word. Please repeat after me. El libro. Great. Now this means the book. Now, of course, just like in any other language, there are going to be exceptions. Just to name a few, la mano, the hand. Even though el mano ends with an O, it's actually feminine. Another example, el mapa, the map. El mapa is masculine even though it ends with an A. Now, there are other endings that we have to look out for because not all Spanish nouns are going to end in an A or an O. So let's check out the list that I have here. So these are masculine endings that you'll find in nouns. We have an accented IA, like the word el día. Words ending in MA. For an example, el problema, the problem. Nouns ending in AMBRE is going to be masculine. For an example, el calambre, the cramp. Nouns ending in AJE. Nouns ending in AJE. Por ejemplo, el equipaje, the luggage. Nouns ending in OR or an accented AN are also going to be masculine. Por ejemplo, el amor, which means the love. Or el volcán, the volcano. Now, let's take a look at feminine nouns and their endings. Words ending in CI, accented ON, and SI, accented ON, are feminine. Now, these are often near cognates with English because these endings can be the English equivalent to words ending with TION. Por ejemplo, for an example, la dirección, the address or direction. La misión, the mission. Now, this will not always be the case, but at least 80% of the time, they will coincide with an English word that will end in TION. Nouns that end in DAD and TAD are usually feminine as well. Now, many English equivalents to these endings will be ty. For an example, la ciudad, city, la dificultad, the difficulty. Nouns ending in ie, eza, sis, and itis are also feminine. For an example, la crisis, the crisis, la serie, the series, la belleza, the beauty. And finally, nouns ending in tud and umbre will also be feminine. Por ejemplo, la virtud, the virtue, or la costumbre, the custom or the tradition. All right, so let's do a quick review. We learned that Spanish nouns are gender-oriented. Every Spanish noun has a gender. It's either going to be masculine or feminine. All right, so that will conclude today's video. If you feel like you missed something, go ahead and rewatch this video as many times as you guys need. For more information about nouns or Spanish grammar, please check out the Spanish grammar classes here on Take Lessons Live. And until next time, I will see you again soon. Hasta luego!